The first step in crafting your life you want is to get rid of everything you don't want by Joshua Becker. Today we're going to talk about decluttering. For me, decluttering is not only about physical environment like the clothes and the files and everything, but it's also a lot to do about your mind and your physical body. So let's talk about the mind first. Decluttering mind means remove all negative thoughts from your mind. They keep creeping, I know, especially during this time. But you need to keep changing your thought process. I have interviewed many people, especially above the age of 70, who are active mentally, physically, and successful in their workspace. One thing they had in common was they never let any negative thoughts linger in their mind, because that is what actually brings your energy down, brings your productivity down. So remember one thing, that don't let any negative thought linger. Second is, don't multitask. I also get tempted to do multitasking. I'm talking to my clients, at the same time I want to do the home accounts, at the same time I'm trying to check the grocery list. Don't do it. It takes away the fun, it takes away the joy of doing the work. And also it clutters your mind, because you're trying to do 10 things at a time. It decreases your productivity, it decreases your happiness. It's very important to focus on one thing and do just one thing. That's another way. Third is meditate every day. It really helps you to calm down, especially in this COVID time. So remember 3 things. Don't let negative thoughts linger, don't multitask, and third thing is meditate. Now let's move on to your physical well-being. We all the time declutter our body. Body is your temple, right? Would you ever go to a temple or a mosque and throw garbage? No. How do we do that to our own body? I truly believe that once you take your body as your temple, you are not going to take any food which has negative impact on your health. So, of course, avoid the food which makes you gain weight or can have a negative impact on your body is too much of desserts, ice cream, aerated drinks, cold drink, chocolates, fried, papad. I avoid them as much as you can. So that is very important. And there are certain food which has totally negative impact on you, which is Coke Zero, like which has chemical, and 2-minute noodles. And those kind of food you should totally avoid, according to me. Now about physical body is not also about putting what you put in your body, but also about exercise. Exercise detoxes your body in a way that, because you oxygenate your whole body, so you remove toxins, right? So it's important to have fixed time for your exercise, either morning or evening or whatever is suitable to you. And make sure your screen time or TV time is restricted to certain hours in a day, so that you can do other things which are productive and makes you happy. So the next is about decluttering your environment. Trust me, in decluttering, what comes to my mind is your phone and your laptop, which we use all the time. So remember to remove the files which you don't want, clean your photograph folder, declutter your phone and laptop. That's my first advice. Then you go on to your cupboards and your file cupboards and remove whatever you don't want. There must be places in your house which you must not have looked into for ages. So go there, clean it, throw what you don't want, let the right energy flow in. So that's my advice. Declutter your mind, your soul, your body, and your environment.